Hello everyone, this is Moonlight Learning Academy, and today we are going to be reviewing how to divide fractions. So let's get started. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Okay, so when dividing fractions, you need to use a method called KCF. The K stands for keep, the C stands for change, and the F stands for flip. So first, you need to keep the first fraction the same. So 4 out of 7 stays 4 out of 7. It's kept the same. And then you need to change the division sign into a multiplication sign. And then you flip the numerator and denominator. So you get 7 out of 6 instead of 6 out of 7. And after that, you multiply and simplify. So 4 times 7 is 28. And 7 times 6, which is 42. And then you simplify to get 2 out of 3. Okay, so we're done with the first question. Let's move on to the second one, and try to see if you can solve it yourself by pausing the video. Alright, so for the second question, we need to find the quotient of 3/4 divided by 2. So we do the same method that we did before. Keep, change, flip. So we keep 3 out of 4. We change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and we flip the 2. So 2 is basically 2 over 1, so you flip it to 1 over 2. And then you multiply. 3 times 1 is 3, and 4 times 2 is 8. So 3 out of 8 is the correct answer for this problem. Okay, so let's move on to the next problem. Alright, so for the last question, we have to find the quotient of 9/11 divided by 1/3. So again, we need to do keep, change, flip. So you keep 9 out of 11. You change the division sign to a multiplication sign. And you flip the 1 over 3 to a 3 over 1. And after that, you multiply and simplify. So you get 9 times 3, which is 27, over 11. And then you simplify it to 2 and 5/11, which is the correct answer for this problem. Alright everyone, that is all for today. I hope you found this lesson useful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I will see you in the next one. Bye!